The clownfish is often seen before it is understood. Bright orange, sharply patterned, moving with sudden bursts of energy, it appears almost playful among the coral reefs. To many observers, it seems fragile, a small fish living in one of the most dangerous environments on Earth. Yet this impression is misleading. Beneath its vivid appearance lies a survival strategy refined over millions of years, built not on strength or speed, but on cooperation, hierarchy, and a deep understanding of danger. Long before coral reefs became the focus of scientific study, clownfish were already woven into the complex fabric. Their ancestors emerged in warm, shallow seas where competition was fierce and predation constant. Survival favored those that could find protection without constant flight. Over time, clownfish evolved a relationship unlike almost any other in the ocean, a partnership that would define their identity and secure their place in reef ecosystems. Physically, the clownfish is unremarkable in size. Most species remain small, rarely exceeding a few inches in length. Their bodies are laterally compressed, allowing quick turns and precise movement among coral structures. Their fins are strong relative to body size, enabling bursts of speed rather than sustained swimming. This design reflects a life spent navigating tight spaces rather than open water. Coloration is one of the clownfish's most distinctive traits. Bright orange, red, or yellow bodies marked by white bands outlined in black make them highly visible. In most marine environments, such visibility would be a death sentence. On coral reefs, however, color serves multiple purposes. It allows species recognition, reinforces social structure, and, paradoxically, signals danger. Predators that associate clownfish with toxic anemones learn avoidance quickly. The true strength of the clownfish lies not in its body, but in its relationship with sea anemones. Anemones are armed with stinging cells capable of paralyzing or killing most fish. Clownfish possess a specialized mucus coating that prevents these stings from firing. This adaptation is not innate at birth. Young clownfish must acclimate slowly, carefully touching anemone tentacles until their mucus composition adjusts. It is a delicate process, and mistakes can be fatal. Once accepted, the anemone becomes both shelter and weapon. Predators that pursue clownfish risk painful stings. In return, clownfish provide benefits to their host, cleaning parasites, increasing water circulation, and even driving away anemone predators. This symbiosis is not sentimental. It is transactional, efficient, and essential. Behaviorally, clownfish exhibit one of the most rigid social hierarchies among fish. Each anemone hosts a small group dominated by a single breeding female, the largest individual. Beneath her is a breeding male, followed by non-breeding subordinates arranged by size. Conflict is rare, controlled through ritualized displays rather than violence. Stability is crucial. Disorder means exposure. Reproduction follows this hierarchy precisely. If the dominant female dies, the breeding male changes sex, becoming female, and the largest subordinate becomes the new breeding male. This sequential hermaphroditism ensures continuity without the need to search for new mates, a dangerous task on predator-filled reefs. Few animals demonstrate such a clear example of social structure shaping biology. Clownfish intelligence is subtle but significant. They recognize territory boundaries, learn predator behavior, and respond to changes in their environment with caution. They remember safe routes, favorable currents, and the precise limits of anemone protection. Their world is small, but their awareness is detailed. Diet consists primarily of plankton, algae, and small invertebrates. Feeding occurs close to the anemone, minimizing exposure. This limited range reinforces dependence on their host, but also reduces energy expenditure. Survival is about efficiency, not expansion. Predators are numerous. Larger fish, eels, and reef hunters patrol constantly. The clownfish does not outrun them. It retreats, hides, and trusts its anemone. This trust is earned through evolutionary time, not instinctive bravery. The role of clownfish in reef ecosystems extends beyond their size. They contribute to nutrient cycling, influence anemone health, and serve as indicators of reef stability. Healthy clownfish populations often signal healthy coral systems. Their absence can reflect environmental stress. Human interaction with clownfish intensified dramatically in recent decades. Overcollection for aquariums, habitat destruction, and coral bleaching threaten populations worldwide. Climate change alters water temperature, stressing both anemones and their fish partners. Without anemones, clownfish cannot survive. Their fate is inseparable from reef health. Conservation efforts now focus on reef protection rather than individual species. Marine protected areas, sustainable aquarium trade practices, and coral restoration projects aim to preserve the delicate balance clownfish depend upon. Success is uneven, but awareness grows. The clownfish does not dominate the reef. It does not rule through fear. It survives through alliance, discipline, and adaptation. In a world defined by constant threat, it chose cooperation over confrontation. Among waving anemone tentacles, in filtered sunlight broken by coral shadows, the clownfish remains alert. Bright, visible, yet strangely safe. It is a reminder that survival in nature is not always about being the strongest, but about understanding where you belong.